Alright, these are the lounge elevators here at Hall K at Paris Charles de Gaulle Airport in Paris, France. So we already got one.
We stayed at Marriott.
So these are
Residence.
These are ThyssenKrupp Kone buns. Sorry, going down.
That's where the lounge is. Is that where you want to go?
Yeah, just riding.
I think your backpack's in the way here. Oh, thanks for it.
It's not closing.
We're catching this one too.
Alright, there we go. Just riding it, but alright. Go up to 0. These are different ThyssenKrupp. Alright. Oh. These are hydraulic. But you're nice ThyssenKrupp elevator. Here are your buttons and the indicator. Alright. Let's see if this one will open if since it's here. Yeah, it will open. No, it's not opening. I think this one could be broken, unfortunately. So sorry, yeah, guys. This one is not opening. All right, well, there goes that one. We're gonna see if we can get this one. I think this one is broken. So yep, there you have, guys. So there it goes, and that's it.